Okay guys, we're at Sai Thong National Park, Chaiyaphum Province. First step is the Waterfall. It is a half-a kilometer walk according to the sign. Which is right there. It looks like a pretty easy walk, at least from this end anyway. Very quiet place. There's a campsite here as well. Hardly any people around. But it's Monday, so that might be why. The only people I see are working here. Or just here getting paid. Looks nice though, huh? Looks really nice. Interesting. I see a big concrete walkway over there. We'll go up this way first, see what's up here. I don't have a translator with me, so I don't know what that sign said. There's the walkway. Looks new. Oh, there's stuff down here too. I do not think that was 500 meters. I think that was 200 meters at the most. You know the crazy thing? There's not one person here, huh? There's the waterfall, it's up there. We'll go take a look. Here. It's just not the same without a bunch of kids jumping in the water, huh? Not the best bridge I've ever seen. Oh, for sure. That looks cool. But just look here beside my feet. Someone lost their shoes over here. Right in there. Whoops. This is all tree roots on the rock. How cool is that, huh? Just looking down the falls. Very nice, very nice. That's a nice shot there. One last look before we move on. Other than the water being brown, which is normal around here, this is very nice. And like I say, no people. Yeah, it's nice seeing the kids play and everything, but it's nice just being alone too. Just listen. That's nature. This looks quite nice, huh? Rooms for rent? I don't know how you would rent them. Looks like only one, the one on the corner down here at the bottom, has people in it. Okay, back at the visitor center. Just farther down here, that's where the waterfall is. It's really nice in here. It is really, really nice. Hardly any people. Just right here, you see there's a bunch of tents set up. I think there's 4 there. I assume you can rent them. Not just rent the spot, you rent the tent, because all the tents are the same. And don't seem like anybody's using them. There's a big lake down there. There was a lady down there with a cast net when I drove in. But I don't even know how you get in there. That car does look out of place here. And there's the visitor center. Alright guys, well that's it. Pretty cool place, really, really quiet. Very unusual somewhere like this so quiet. I'll put a link in the video description to the blog post on this place with more information, how to get here, stuff like that. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.